Welcome to the demonstration on how CloudRent Pro uses AI to report and process damage to equipment. Firstly, we are going to take a few pictures of the damage to this JCB generator.
Once we have the images, we're going to go into CloudRent and click on the Damage tab of the rental job related to the inventory damaged.
We then drag the images that we took onto the damage report. The AI will categorize the severity of the damage and provide a rough estimate of the cost of each section of damage. This can be edited in a matrix in the settings, or you can click directly into the suggested fee and change the amount. You can then scroll to the bottom of the page and mark up images by drawing a shape, a circle, or adding text outlining the damage. Now we can create an invoice for the cost of the damage and the item to our maintenance queue, or I can send a report to the customer outlining the damage. Damage is saved and logged to the item. CloudRent Pro 2.0 is a game changer. If there is something you need, we can develop it in weeks, not months.
Everything you need in one platform. Try it free and see the difference yourself.